Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 8th standard maths, term 1, lesson 2, measurements. Today we will discuss area and perimeter of some simple 2D shapes. That is very important formulas. So before introducing with this exercise, I want some introduce some formulas now. The first shape is triangle. What is triangle? A triangle has three sides and three angles. All the sides and angles can be different size. Then area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied with base multiplied with height square units. Then perimeter of the triangle is equal to sum of all three sides units. This is the formula for using area and perimeter of triangle. The next shape is equilateral triangle. The equilateral triangle means that all the three sides are equal in length and all the three angles are equal. Then area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 divided by 4 a square units. Then perimeter of the equilateral triangle is 3a units. The next one, quadrilateral. A quadrilateral can be defined as a closed two-dimensional shape which has four straight sides. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral and AC denoted in diagonal, then H1 and H2 denoted by heights. Then area of the quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied with diagonal multiply with sum of perpendicular heights square units, that is half into d into h1 plus h2 square units. Then perimeter of the quadrilateral is equal to sum of all the four sides units, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. The next one, parallelogram. A parallelogram has two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel and equal. Here, AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC. Then the opposite angles are equal. Then how to find the area of the parallelogram? Then area of the parallelogram is equal to base multiplied with height square units. Then perimeter of the parallelogram is equal to 2 into A plus B units. The next one, rectangle. A rectangle has two pairs of equal sides, that is AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC. The longer side of a rectangle is the length and the shorter side of the side is the breadth. Here AB and CD is length, AD and BC is breadth. A rectangle has four right angles. The opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel. Here AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to AD. Then area of the rectangle is equal to length multiplied with breadth square units. Then perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied with sum of the length and breadth units. The next shape is trapezium. A trapezium has one pair of parallel sides. Here BC and AD is equal parallel sides. The sides may all be different in length. So area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied with height multiplied with a plus b square units. Then perimeter of the trapezium is equal to sum of all the four sides, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA units. The next shape is rhombus. In a rhombus has four equal sides, that is AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, CD is equal to DA. All the sides are equal. Then opposite sides are parallel. Here AB is parallel to CD, BC parallel to AD. Then the opposite angles are equal. Two of the angles are acute angles and two angles are obtuse angles in rhombus. Then area of the rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 multiply with diagonal 1 multiply with diagonal 2 square units. Then perimeter is equal to 4 into 1 side units. The next shape is square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Here AB, BC, CD, DA all are equal sides. The opposite sides of a square are parallel. Here AB is parallel to CD, BC is parallel to AD. Area of the square is equal to side multiplied with side square units, that is A square units. Then how to find the perimeter of the square? The perimeter is equal to 4 into 1 side units. This all the formulas will be helpful to find the area and the perimeter of combined figures in lesson 2. Thank you.